right. And we'll do one last song for you here. And if anybody's still around tomorrow, we'll be over at the big Country Fest over here down the road, about a mile or two. And people like Desert Rose Band and Mark Chestnut will be there tonight. Make sure and stop by and check it out. It's going to be a great time, we guarantee. And we'll take it out of here with a song. We're going to go over the rainbow, boys and girls. And we'll tell you about I Get the Blues When It Rains. Little teardrop falling off my window pane always reminds me of the teardrops of the pain. I sit and wait for the sun to shine down on me once again. It rained when I found you, it rained when I lost you. That's why I'm blue when it rains. Yeah. The sun never shines